Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to split a page in Notion. To split a page in Notion, you can use the following methods to create a layout with multiple sections or columns. The first thing you need to do is to sign into Notion. Go ahead and open in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type notion.so and follow the necessary steps or prompt to sign in. After signing in, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Notion. So now that we're here, the first step is to navigate to the page where you want to create or split. The pages can be found in the left navigation panel or the sidebar. Go ahead and select any existing page and get the work done. So now that we're here, the next thing to do is to click the plus button or type the backward slash to open the block menu. Backward slash, then the next thing, go ahead and click on text or any other block you want to add. Let's say text. Now, type in the text. So my text is going to be write a book and Thanks for God. So these are the texts that I want to split. Now drag the block you just added to the right or left corner of another block. So let's say this was an existing block and this is a new block that I added. So I'm just going to highlight it and I'm just going to move my cursor. If I want to drag, I'm just going to move my cursor to this three dots icon and drag and drop it. Okay, I'm going to take it towards the left side. That's it. I have successfully dragged this to these and they're now side by side. So once you were dragging, I'm sure you saw the blue vertical line indicating what the new column will be created, and that was done. So drop the block to create a new column, which we have here. So we have a new column for this and we have another column for that. Now hover over to the space between the columns, which is here. So this is the space. Yeah. So this is a space. How do you know the space? Because you're going to see the divider. So drag the divider to adjust the width of the column. Dragging it there. And that's it. So you can now add more blocks to each column by clicking inside the column and adding the plus button or typing the backward slash. So click on that and add to any column. Just go ahead and click on enter. And once you click on enter, add whatever you want to add under this, and then you can head over to the next column or the next block, click on enter and add whatever you want to add. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much how you can split a page in Notion. The other step to use is to use page blocks. And how do you do that? Is you're going to run over this. So navigate to the page where you want to add or split, then go ahead and type the backward slash and select toggle list or any other block type to create sections. Then click on the toggle or the block and start typing to add content. You can nest blocks inside each other if needed. Adjust the order of blocks by dragging them to organize content visually. That's another step that you can take. Of course, if you're also using the database view, you can create multiple views, which include table, board, calendar to split content. Then add the plus, add a view in the top left corner of the database and choose the type of view you want to add. And you can switch between different views to manage and view content in different ways. But this particular step is pretty much the most efficient and the easiest, and you can use this to split your page. Now, these methods will allow you to create a more organized and visually appealing layout on your Notion pages, making it easier to manage and display information. Now, you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.